I hope all of you are doing fine. Welcome to my channel Beauty Blink with Sush. If you're new to my channel, take a moment to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like my video and share it to your loved ones. Today this tutorial is going to be very different, very unique. It's not about glam makeup, it's not about regular makeup we do, it's a fantasy makeup. As usual, I have applied moisturizer primer, and this is a concealer part that I'm doing. I'm concealing my face because I want a very smooth surface, no any dark circle, no any pigmentation, so I'm covering everything with the concealer. Now applying foundation, I'm applying a little thick layer this time, and I'm going to blend it with a beauty sponge. I have also tried to cover my eyebrows with the concealer and even the foundation so that I can create very new eyebrow look in this tutorial. If you guys have not watched my Diwali makeup look, then please look at that video which I have created without using any concealer and without any foundation. Wow, this is the first eye look with the blue eyeshadow. I have done this look with the Nyx Eyeshadow palette. But before that, I'm going to draw my eyebrows, and it's going to be black. I have used a black eyeliner. So after applying the foundation, I've set my base with the powder, a loose powder, and I have made my one of the eye look, and then now I'm creating this look to show you guys. I've already created my eyebrows and it's black. Now if you're a makeup artist like me, then you will be very excited, and you will for sure want to create this look. I have put a neon pink on my eyelids, and I'm applying, I'm dabbing, and I'm blending until I'm satisfied with the intensity of the color that I want. Blending the eyeshadow towards my lower lid. Now I have always wondered why to limit our talent and our creativity only with this simple makeup look and the glam makeup look or the festival makeup look. So I have tried something new, guys. Do show your love. Now after the pink eyeshadow, I'm going to add this golden eyeshadow and blend it and make it very subtle on the inner corner. For the neon colors, I have used Nyx Eyeshadow palette, and for the golden, I have just used Maybelline eyeshadow palette. Now starting to draw my eyeliner, inner corner, I'm making it sharp. And guys, believe me, I have done this in one go, no rectification. I have created this kind of look for the first time without any practice, and I'm creating this wing very slowly. Believe me, my hands were shaking at some point, but I did it. Yay. To avoid any mess, I have started gently with the very thin liner, and then I have made the thin liner my guideline and started to draw the wing that I want. Same with the crease part, drawing with the black eyeliner and the way I want. Both of the eyeliner might not look exact the same way, but I'm so happy that I have done this. I'm really happy. Some of you might thinking, what is she doing? Okay, but this makeup is called fantasy makeup. It's just about playing with colors and your imagination, and also it's known as pop art makeup. It's quite famous, popular in Hollywood makeup. They are master for this makeup, and yes, I'm still learning to master it. You don't have to draw the same exact thing. You can draw anything you want, anyhow you want, but it should be neat and tidy. That's all up to you. Now working with the lower lid, I'm just drawing with some eyeshadow and blending it. Creating some wing with the eyeliner in my lower lids also, and creating that line. So finally it looks this way. I have put white eyeliner, gel eyeliner on the outer corner and the inner corner of my eyeshadow, and I have contoured my face using the colorful eyeshadow, same eyeshadow palette from Nyx. So everything is very neon, pop up. So I've used yellow, orange, pink, lilac, that is near to purple, to contour my face and put as a blush. Now this is one of the main part that I need to draw the line to give the pop art kind of look. I was really nervous while drawing these lines, but it got correct. I'm drawing with the black eyeliner, and after that I'm going to use the white eyeliner and use it as a highlight. Now wherever I have drawn the black eyeliner, I'm using the white gel liner to highlight all over wherever I want to highlight. I know without a lipstick it looks weird, so I'm applying and finishing it with a lipstick. Do let me know how did you like this video and the look that I created, and if you want something related to this, some more fantasy and imaginative looks, then you can send me a message and comment in the comment section. I'll be very grateful to do that. Thank you so much guys for giving your valuable time to my video, for watching my video. I love you all, and I hope to see you with the brand new video in the next video, and till then take care. Bye bye.